In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on Google Chrome using a built-in method that works right inside the browser. This is a super useful trick if you want to capture a full web page, a specific section of a page, a dashboard, an article, or anything else you can view in Chrome. And the best part is, you do not need any extra software to get started. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the web page you want to capture. This could be a website, an online report, a recipe, a blog post, a dashboard, or any page you need to save as an image. Before you take the screenshot, make sure the content is fully loaded so everything appears correctly in the final capture. Now, to access Chrome's screenshot tools, you need to open Developer Tools. On a Windows computer, press Ctrl, Shift, and I at the same time, or you can press F12. On some keyboards, one method may work better than the other, so try whichever is easiest for you. When Developer Tools opens, it usually appears on the side or at the bottom of your browser window. Don't worry if it looks a little technical at first. You only need one part of it for this process. Next, open the command menu. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and P. A search box will appear inside Developer Tools. This command menu lets you quickly find hidden Chrome features without digging through multiple tabs or menus. This is where the screenshot tools are located. In the command box, type the word screenshot. As soon as you type it, Chrome will show you several screenshot options. You may see choices like Capture Full-Size Screenshot, Capture Area Screenshot, Capture Node Screenshot, and Capture Screenshot. Each one is useful in a different situation. If you want to save the entire web page from top to bottom, choose Capture Full-Size Screenshot. This is the best option for long articles, scrollable pages, and full reports. Chrome will automatically create an image of the complete page, even the parts you can't see on screen all at once. If you only need a selected portion of the page, use Capture Area Screenshot instead. That lets you drag and select the exact section you want to save. If you're working with a specific element on the page, like a chart, table, or card, Capture Node Screenshot can be helpful. That option focuses on a single page element instead of the whole page, and if you just want a standard visible screenshot of what's currently on your screen, you can use Capture Screenshot. Once you choose the screenshot type you want, Chrome will automatically generate the image and download it to your computer. In most cases, it saves directly to your default downloads folder. From there, you can open it, rename it, edit it, or share it wherever you need. If the screenshot doesn't look right, go back and make sure the page is fully loaded before capturing again. Also, for full page screenshots, it helps to avoid pop-ups or menus that might block the content you want to save. Taking a moment to prepare the page can make a big difference in the final result. So to recap, the process is simple. Open Google Chrome, go to the page you want, open Developer Tools with Ctrl, Shift Y or F12. Open the command menu with Ctrl Shift P, type screenshot, and then choose the screenshot option that fits your needs. In just a few seconds, you can capture the exact content you want without installing anything extra. If this video helped you, please give us a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.